As the golden hues of autumn sweep through the air and leaves crunch underfoot, it's time to give your home that cozy Thanksgiving glow. A beautiful wreath is more than just decor. It's a symbol of gratitude, abundance, and the welcoming spirit of the season. From rustic farmhouse charm to elegant modern designs, a Thanksgiving wreath transforms any door or wall into a statement of warmth and thankfulness. Whether it's handmade with dried leaves, wrapped in burlap, or adorned with pumpkins and pine cones, every wreath tells a story of fall's beauty and the joy of gathering together. So grab your crafting supplies, light that cinnamon candle, and let's create wreaths that wrap your home in the true spirit of Thanksgiving. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your home for creative, seasonal, and heartwarming decor inspiration. In today's video, we're exploring Thanksgiving wreath ideas, from rustic DIY creations to elegant harvest designs and budget-friendly door wreaths that welcome family and friends in festive style. Why are wreaths so popular for Thanksgiving decor? Wreaths capture the spirit of the season. They symbolize the circle of life, abundance, and gratitude. Placed on doors or walls, they instantly make any space feel festive and welcoming. What are some easy DIY Thanksgiving wreath ideas? Start with a grapevine or wire base, then add dried leaves, pine cones, berries, and ribbon. It's a simple yet stunning project that's budget-friendly and customizable. If you love easy and affordable fall crafts, hit like and share this video to inspire others this Thanksgiving season. What are some rustic Thanksgiving wreath ideas? Rustic wreaths often use natural materials. Think burlap, twigs, mini pumpkins, and wheat stalks. They bring that cozy farmhouse vibe that feels warm and inviting. How can I make a modern Thanksgiving wreath? Opt for minimalist designs with eucalyptus, gold accents, and neutral ribbons. Keep the color palette soft with whites, beige, and metallic touches for an elegant twist on fall decor. Do you prefer rustic charm or modern elegance for your Thanksgiving wreath? Tell us in the comments below. What colors work best for Thanksgiving wreaths? Embrace earthy autumn tones, deep oranges, mustard yellows, cranberry reds, and soft browns. Metallic gold or copper accents can also add a touch of holiday sophistication. How can I make a Thanksgiving door wreath stand out? Layer your wreath with texture. Mix faux greenery, dried flowers, and ribbon tails. Add a wooden give thanks sign or LED fairy lights for a welcoming, festive glow. Check out our fall door decor playlist in the description for even more creative wreath and entryway inspiration. What are creative ways to personalize a Thanksgiving wreath? Add monogrammed letters, mini photo frames, or your family name carved into wood. Personal touches make your wreath unique and sentimental. What are some Thanksgiving wreath ideas on a budget? Use natural materials from your backyard, twigs, acorns, and dried leaves. Dollar store finds like faux pumpkins, berries, and ribbons can also look high-end with a little creativity. If you love budget-friendly seasonal decorating, don't forget to subscribe for weekly DIY inspiration and holiday styling tips. How can I make a Thanksgiving wreath that lasts all season? Use a sturdy base with faux florals and preserved greenery. Avoid perishable items like real fruit, or seal them with spray to keep them looking fresh longer. What are some unique Thanksgiving wreath design ideas? Try asymmetrical styles, square wreath frames, or using corn husks and feathers for texture. You can even build a half-wreath look for modern appeal. Want more creative wreath and garland ideas? Watch our fall and Thanksgiving DIY decor videos, linked in the description below. What are some cute or whimsical wreath ideas? Add little turkey figurines, mini scarecrows, or plaid bows for a playful touch. Perfect for homes that want a cheerful, family-friendly Thanksgiving vibe. How can I make my Thanksgiving wreath smell amazing? Use dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. You can also lightly spray your wreath with pumpkin spice or vanilla essential oils for a cozy autumn aroma. How can I create a centerpiece wreath for my Thanksgiving table? Lay a wreath flat and place candles or a vase of flowers in the center. It instantly becomes a beautiful table focal point for your holiday dinner. What are some creative alternatives to traditional wreaths? Try a square frame, a wooden hoop wrapped in fabric, or even a hanging garland shaped like a crescent moon. It's a modern take that stands out beautifully. What are trending Thanksgiving wreath ideas for 2025? Expect natural textures, mixed metallic tones, and personalized wood accents. Freeze-dried florals, wheat, and sustainable materials are also taking center stage this year. A Thanksgiving wreath isn't just a decoration, it's the heart of your holiday welcome. From rustic farmhouse charm to elegant modern designs, each one brings warmth, gratitude, and beauty to your home. This season, celebrate creativity, family, and the golden glow of fall with a wreath that reflects your unique style and spirit of thankfulness. If these Thanksgiving wreath ideas inspired you, don't forget to like and share this video. Tell us which wreath style you'll try, rustic, modern, or DIY handmade, in the comments below. Explore our fall and Thanksgiving decor playlist for more harvest wreaths, table ideas, and door decor inspiration. Subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly creative home styling and seasonal decorating tips. Watch related videos on Thanksgiving table settings, fall garlands, and cozy entryway decor, linked in the description.